Welcome back to Plants Kids Food Life. Before you dig that first hole, there are a few things to consider to ensure success. Let's get into it, shall we? First things first, we need to talk about your hardiness zone. It tells you the average lowest winter temperature in your area. This determines which plants can survive the cold and which ones won't stand a chance. Imagine planting a beautiful, exotic palm tree, only to have it wither away come winter. Heartbreaking, isn't it? Finding your hardiness zone is easy. Use the USDA website or an app like the Plant Hardiness Zone Finder. Don't forget to consider microclimates. Even within a single garden, there can be variations in temperature. For our gardening friends outside of the US, most countries have their own equivalent zone systems. Now let's talk sunlight. Not all plants crave the same amount of sunlight. Some bask in full sun, while others prefer shade. Planting a sun-loving specimen in deep shade is a recipe for disappointment. Full sun means 6 or more hours of direct sunlight each day. Part shade is 3 to 6 hours, and full shade is less than 3 hours. Check the plant tag or ask for advice at your local nursery. Spend a day observing your garden and take note of how the sunlight moves across it. You'll be amazed at how the position of trees, buildings, and even neighboring houses can affect the light conditions. Let's delve into the fascinating world of soil. Soil isn't just dirt, it's a living, breathing ecosystem. There are 3 main soil types: clay, sand, and loam. Clay soil is heavy and holds water. Sandy soil drains quickly, and loam is the perfect balance. Determine your soil type with a simple squeeze test. If it sticks together, it's clay. If it crumbles, it's sandy. If it holds its shape before breaking apart, it's loam. Drainage is equally important. To test, dig a hole about a foot deep and fill it with water. If it drains quickly, you have sandy soil. If it takes hours, you have clay soil. Understanding your soil's texture and drainage is fundamental to successful gardening. Match your plants to the right soil type for the best results. Now let's talk about soil pH. It measures how acidic or alkaline your soil is, ranging from 0 to 14, with 7 being neutral. Different plants have different pH preferences. Blueberries love acidic soil, while lavender thrives in alkaline conditions. Determine your soil's pH with a testing kit. If your soil is too acidic, add lime. If it's too alkaline, add sulfur. Finding the perfect balance is key for your plants to thrive. Planting a plant in soil with the wrong pH is like trying to fit a square peg in a round hole. It simply won't thrive. Ensure your plants are in the right pH environment for optimal growth. Let's talk about choosing the right plants for your garden. Some plants are well behaved, while others can quickly spread out of control. Invasive plants like English ivy can engulf entire gardens. Do your research before you plant. Embrace native plants. They're perfectly adapted to your local climate and soil conditions and beneficial for local wildlife. Native plants provide food and habitat for pollinators, birds, and other creatures. Use resources like the National Wildlife Federation's website to find native plants in your area. A little knowledge can prevent future gardening headaches. Gardens are vital habitats for wildlife. While we want to encourage wildlife, there's a balance to be struck. Some plants attract certain creatures. Deer love tender shoots, and rabbits can wreak havoc on a vegetable garden. Choose plants that deer and rabbits find unappealing, like lavender and daffodils. To attract pollinators, plant nectar-rich flowers like butteljas and echinacea. A diverse garden is a healthy garden, so aim for a mix of plants that provide food and shelter for various creatures. Consider future growth and spacing. Plants need space to grow and thrive. Planting too closely together is like cramming too many people into a small room. It's uncomfortable and competitive. Check the mature size of a plant before planting. That cute shrub might grow to 20 feet wide. If space is limited, choose compact and dwarf varieties. Containers are a great way to control the spread of plants. Plan and research to avoid gardening faux pas. So there you have it, my 7 crucial tips to consider before planting anything in your garden. A little planning and preparation go a long way in ensuring a thriving garden. Happy planting! Don't forget to check out my eBooks, Naturally Fertilize It, and Companion Planting Guide. The links are in the description. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe.